Bakit? Ano yung pinaka main reason kung bakit nagkaroon ka ng hesitation?
It's about personal po, like...
Yun lang. Ano siya?
Naka-vlog pala to. Sorry. Ayun nga. Sa akin na lang yun.
Kumusta? This is it, pansit. Ayun, sobrang init. Nagmo-moist yung ating camera. Ayan, so 3, 2, 1. Hello, good morning po, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat ng mga kapanood ng video na to. Sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa amin, my name is Ray, Visa Planet Immigration. I'm with Julius, Visa Planet Immigration din, and currently we're in Dera, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. We picked up one of our clients who successfully got her visa sa Australia. So sinundo namin siya, and pinayagan niya kaming ihatid namin siya sa Airport Terminal 1 bound to Australia, which is currently Melbourne po ang dating. So i-introduce ko lang si Hazel. So Dubai based din or other Emirates ng UAE?
Dubai based po.
Dubai based. How long have you been working here in UAE?
13 years po.
13 years. Okay. So it took you 11 or 12 years bago ka nag-decide to apply outside Dubai UAE?
Yes.
Anyari?
Because nag-pandemic po.
Okay. So you thought na mas okay na umalis na lang dito instead of staying, no?
Yes.
So kumusta yung process overall ng Visa Planet towards your successful application?
All in all, good po. Wala po akong masabi kasi lahat naman po na-provide yung mga kailangan namin.
Medyo natagalan tayo sa process
yes,
because
of the financial po.
So hindi ka naman namin pinilit na bayad ka na.
Yes, yeah.
So yun. Pwede bang malaman, is it Australia pa talaga yung in-apply mo sa amin before?
Since day one.
Okay.
Australia po talaga.
So yun. In addition, si Sir Julius may mga other questions naman kay Hazel. So go ahead.
Yeah, so ayun, so alam naman natin na yung consultant ko is no longer with us. So na-assist ka naman properly ng processing team, right? Okay naman yung pagkaka-handover sa'yo.
Opo.
Okay, so it doesn't matter kung nandiyan yung consultant mo or wala na. We're still here naman to assist, especially with the processing team. So in terms of the documents naman and yung mga show money, ginaid ka naman nila properly.
Yes.
Okay, so,
Ano yung expectation mo sa pag-travel into Australia?
Marami po. Especially sa future po.
Opportunity-wise.
Yes.
So, marami naman nagsasabi na Dubai is okay na, pero
It's not enough. For 40, going to 14 years, parang it's not enough.
Hindi naman sa nagsawa na, pero we need other opportunities naman from our side. Hindi lang naman mga Filipino from Philippines na hindi pa nakakalabas yung nangangarap din pumunta ng Australia. So basically, kung kaya naman, why not, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
basta once nandun ka na, stay there. Huwag ka nang, baka bumalik ka pa dito.
No. Yun talaga po yung dream of country ko na for good. I mean, dun yung future.
Anyway, pagdating mo naman doon, you could always contact us naman.
Yes, ako.
You know naman where to find us. Office is there. Sabi nga nila, di ba, maliit na daw ang Dubai.
Yeah.
So, hindi naman nawawala yung office ng Visa Planet. You could always contact us. Same numbers,
Opo.
same emails. We're here naman to assist.
Okay, so physically, mentally, spiritually ready ka na sa transition mo from Middle East to land down under?
Yes.
Sure na ba yan?
100%.
Baka naman pagdating mo doon, iyakan mo kami, ayoko na dito.
Naiyak ko na lahat actually. So, kailangan ko na siyang iwan sa Dubai. Tapos, yun na po.
When was your approval?
Approval is January 17. That day, the same day,
Same
na-approve
day,
din.
Okay, so bakit inabot tayo ng July na nakapag-flight kayo?
Kasi po, kailangan ko mag-notice kay lawyer. Then, syempre yung additional funds para sa pag-alis ko.
Okay. So yun, i-wrap things up lang natin yung interview. Malapit na tayo sa airport. So
Okay.
basically, ano yung masasabi mo sa mga future applicants that kumbaga nag-hesitate sila? Mistrust, hindi naman mistrust, pero nami-misguide sila ng mga naririnig nila, nababasa nila sa internet. So hopefully, may masasabi ka to help them, let's just say, decide whether kung ano ba talaga yung experience mo.
Isa lang masabi ko, legit tong Visa Planet. magdalawang isip, di naman talaga mawawala yun. But this one will be my hope for all.
So baka kapag-expect kami ng video sa iyo,
Yeah, sure.
Para-arrival.
Yes, opo.
Baka naman hindi mo na kami replyan pag nandun ka na.
Mag-video ko pag arrive ko doon sa airport. Oo naman, syempre kasi kailangan ko rin i-add sa vlog ko yun. I mean, sa memories ko. Kasi
souvenir ba?
that's my new journey po talaga eh. So I need to have memories as well.
Mga ilang beses din si Hazel nag-try na mag-back out na eh.
Opo, grabe.
But they decided to continue.
Yes, dahil kay Sir Julius na bigyan niya, na-enlighten niya ako. So, nakasan din ako ng loob.
Hindi, gusto nyo ba i-marites ko? 50 dirhams! Okay, so yun, i-wrap things up ko lang on behalf of Visa Planet Immigration. Thank you sa tiwala. Hopefully
Thank you so much.
makapag-expect kami ng more information, updates from your side, and syempre, more blessings na lang. Bomboyans, no?
Thank you so much.
Ayun. So, thank you very much sa mga nanonood. So, hopefully, soon, makapag-upload tayo ng panibagong update from Hazel. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Ayun.
Parang masarap.
Time check. Today is July 18, 2024. We're currently with Hazel. So, yung drop off. I'm with Julius. Ayun. So, we are waiting for the successful check-in ni Hazel. Tapos, syempre, bomboyage na. And hopefully, makapag-provide siya sa atin ng updates from the moment that she lands in Australia. So, as you can see, nakalagay dyan is Colombo. Kasi connecting flight yan eh. From time to time, you have to experience or face the fact na yung ticket cost is not constant. So, ang mangyayari, kung gusto mong tipid yung biyahe, pwede ka mag-connecting flight. If not, then if you're not, sabihin natin financially stable ka naman, pwede ka naman mag-direct flight from Dubai to Australia. So, yun. Antayin na lang natin kung ano ang niya, ha? Thank you. Bye-bye.